Dry cleaning. Joy. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, um, good evening. How you doing today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, road to 100k subscribers. First of all, of course, I am so grateful for love, the appreciation, the, how am I say appreciation? But you get what I mean, the love, the support, everything, like the subscribers, the comments keep me going. Of course, the shares. I don't even know why the shares are even increasing by the days. I guess it's a good sign, and the perks of being consistent. You guys have no idea, and that is what I really want to talk about today. For a minute before I want to see what's been bugging me and what has been keeping me excited. Because if you notice from my previous videos, I am more excited than I was in those ones, and I'll tell you why. Why is because I just discovered something really amazing, and I am so excited for this new perspective, this new um order of business, right? This new entry to this era I'm mentioning. So that's the perfect word, right? So it consists of progress and progress. Why, how, I don't even know, but it just so happens that when you do something for so long and you are very optimistic about it working, it just has the tendency of working out for you, and it's super duper amazing that that is what is currently my situation. Like, I am not even um looking at the downside at all, because I don't know what let's calculate this. But I'll calculate it later and I'll let you know. Um, I think it takes a long time, but okay. I'm doing a little bit of math. Give me a second. So that's around 10, 10. Okay, that's it. 100. Okay, I got it. It takes at least either 100 or at least 200 days to achieve some of the things I've achieved, and I'm trying to give people the opportunity of getting benefits from it without having to go through that phase which I went through. So I'm like a step ahead. So the people in the right mind, those are the people that I actually need, right? Not want. Those are the people I need to work with, and that is what is currently on my head. And because I'm creating something so amazing that I think I don't think I am literally proud of, because for the past couple years, this one is not just couple years, is around like 3 4 years that I've been thinking of something like this. Or you could actually say for the past 6 7 8 years, that's when I've been thinking about something like this, that there should be a system where it is possible, right? I didn't know that it was there was potential in it, right? And now that I'm able to talk to you, of course I'm going to keep on um evolving the idea, because I'm like thinking back to back, and it's so amazing, which is crazy that yo, I've got this idea about this thing. I don't know how I formed it. I just heard one word and my brain went poof. This is the exact reason why you have to literally keep listening to not just me, to people that inspire you, to people that mentor you, people that motivate you. Why? Because without them, I used to say mentors is a joke, like having mentorship programs and all that. But trust me, you don't want to experience what some people have had to experience, and that's why you have to pay for these programs, this classes, this mentorship things, right? Because they help you skip a couple steps, and it's just something that for the right person, it's gold mine. Trust me, it is gold mine. And with that being said, yo, you just need to understand that I'm not going to, the way I say it is, I say it like, I say it in pieces, right? Until you see it, right? Which you're gonna see, um, except especially for those that are subscribed to the channel, they're gonna see for themselves, right? But if you're not subscribed, you might never see it. So like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification so you always notify when next we actually upload at this point. But yeah, that's just the idea, and the idea is stating that there is a lot to come, and when it does, you're gonna wanna, you know, be active, be very, very active, because the concept that I'm bringing to the table is something that you don't see on a daily basis, but when you do see it, you're like, hey, yo, what I want to call this. So that's just basically what's going on, and I do appreciate I do appreciate the fact that I'm in a realm where I am so active. I have dropped a numerous amount of content, and I'm just so excited that it's working out the way it is so far. Everybody wants to achieve a lot of things easily and quickly, but what they don't understand is what happens at the end when you rush to get something. You rush out because the way it comes is the same way it goes out. So yeah, and the people that are kind of trying to work with, they're people that I believe are going to be able to resonate with the method, the sequence of the way things are in life. Not the young people, not children basically, but people that are strong in mind and soul and spirit. So with that being said, I'm glad I've been able to educate you with nothing specifically, but I'm sure you understand that consistency is just key. And when in doubt, just keep being consistent, because you're about to evolve into something. Your purpose, right? It's very, very important. Make sure you know what your purpose is. If you don't, we just keep doing those things that you like to do, and at the end of the day, it will get formed, it will get shaped. But without further ado, while we're here, 0 to 5 star song ranking review. Right, listen to different songs. My episodes on me. Most of them are new songs at this point, and I've not heard them at all. So it's natural reaction from a professional dancer, and whatever I decide is my opinion at the end of the day. And when you do that, I hope you like. Make sure you subscribe to these artists pages, whatever we listen to today. The name is in the title, so search them out, subscribe to the channel, and have a laugh. It's pain, no gain. If you're not paid, but like, I discovered I work around 10 hours at this point. 10 hours editing, shooting, recording, rehearsing. Jesus Christ. Yesterday I put up almost 20 content on Just Thick in one single day. On YouTube around 30 or 40. Then yeah, it was more like 20 something, 24. Yeah, they're about close to 30. So I just said 25 to be safe. So I'm do that. But it is what it is. Trust me, it is what it is. I'm not complaining. So the song choice for today is Dry Cleaning Joy.